Today is a Tuesday market, 3rd February, and let's see what all news we got today, right? We have odd news, and odd news is already done, and I won't be trading odd today. But we have 8:30 p.m. we have USD news, and it's JOLTS Job Opening. Seems like there is going to be more job openings. I mean, the forecasted is better than the previous as of right now. So that means that USD is going to become stronger, right? So in that case, we will see gold going down. All right. Anyways, now coming into the technical analysis. So this was the zone that we took yesterday. Right, so this was the zone we took yesterday. So yesterday, the previous day high was right here, right? So the previous day high was right here, and it made a lot of sense. But I'll be using the same zone because we can consider this as an inducement anyways, and I just saw price really tap into the zone today. So since price tapped into the zone today, I am still taking it into a valid setup for today, and this is a setup idea that I will be focusing on, right? So this is a setup idea that I will be focusing on. Let's see what happens, right? So this is a very simple, it's just yesterday's plan. I'll be using it for today. Now coming into EURUSD, so EURUSD is the same plan as of yesterday, right? So on the 1 hour, we had seen price just take out previous week's low and then come into the zone, right? So the moment we see price come into the zone of the 1 hour order block, price tapped the zone yesterday during our New York session. So today I won't be entering directly, rather I will be taking another zone and then try to enter on that change of character, right? So this is the new zone I've taken. So this is a place I would technically try entering from normally. So I have taken this as a zone. It's also a 2 swing setup. So it's also a 2 swing setup, right? So it's looking good so far. So let's see how this trade setup builds up. I have set a limit, so this is another trade that I'll be focusing on today. On the very similar note, if EURUSD fails, right? So if EURUSD fails, I will be looking for trades in GBPUSD, but when we take this setup for EURUSD, I think we can even see SMT divergence with GBPUSD, whether GBPUSD is also giving us a break of structure or a change of character. So it gives us extra confirmation. But on that note, the 1 hour OB was not tapped yesterday. It just wasn't tapped yesterday. Like you can see the inducements, like right now we have previous day's low as inducement for this zone, but I believe that we had missed the zone, so we'll have to see, right? We will see. It's the same setup, but this looks better because this has Asia lows as inducement. Price comes back, and then we have Asia highs as a first target. So that is more comfortable for me and looks more higher probability, right? Now coming down into USDJPY. So USDJPY, we had a huge fall, right? So we had a huge fall and we have a 2 swing setup, right? We have a 2 swing setup. So this is what I am focusing on. But so that being said, the zone was not tapped yesterday. Oh, actually it was tapped yesterday during New York. I was waiting for a change of character, but we could never see the change of character come in about. So what I did is I have trade ideas for USDJPY. So one trade idea is to fill the gap. So one trade idea is to fill all this gap, right? For that, I want to buy from this region, and the other trade idea is to use this as a resistance, meaning yesterday's order block. And I have taken the same, just like EURUSD, I have taken another zone on the 15 and try to go for sells. So now this sell order block looks very, very good. It has great liquidity buildup, and it has Asia session high right here. And so if price comes back into the zone, this again will be a very high potential sell zone if this order block holds through, right? Now coming into the next pair, NZDUSD. So we drew out a 4-hour and a 1-hour order block yesterday, right? But the 4-hour order block has a lot of time. So let's go down into the 1-hour. So 1-hour, very similarly, just like all the other pairs, we have tapped. Price has tapped the 1-hour zone yesterday during London, before Asia and during London, right? So but I had marked this as my change of character, which I never got to see the change of character. So but today we could see the change of character, right? So today we could see the change of character. So I'm taking, since the price tapped the order block of yesterday's analysis, I am taking another fresh new order block for today. So if I want to enter, I won't be entering as a direct entry, rather I would be entering with another order block, right? So that is my NZDUSD plan. And coming to USD CAD, right? So USD CAD is it's a very similar theme, right? It's the two swing setup, and I'll be trying to enter. Okay, I'll be trying to enter for buys. I'll be trying to enter for buys from this region, but I am not highly interested in trading USD CAD today. We could either try buy from this region or sell from the top region, but the sell is kind of risky because we have previous week's high resting right here, marked by the yellow line, right? So that is the reason why I don't want to enter on your sells. USDCHF, I won't be trading USDCHF today, and I won't be trading silver, because silver we have a fair value gap right here, rather than when you see gold, right? So when you see gold, we kind of have an order block around that region, but silver, it doesn't have an order block, right? So we'll see, we shall wait and we shall see how this trade idea develops, and we'll see. So that is it for today's daily analysis, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.